Welcome back, everybody, to the Deep Dives. Today we're diving into this whole world of affiliate marketing.
Ooh.
Where you recommend some product or service online, somebody buys it, and you get a little cut of the action.
Yeah.
I mean, you see it everywhere these days, right?
Absolutely.
And we've got excerpts from the Wikipedia article on affiliate marketing to help guide us through all this stuff.
Okay.
I'm really curious to unpack this with you. Where did this even come from?
Yeah, that's a really good question. And most people assume it's, a purely internet thing.
Right.
But it actually goes back way further to 1989.
Wait, hold on. Really?
Yeah.
Before the internet?
Before the whole .com boom.
Wow.
A guy named William J. Tobin was just way ahead of his time.
Okay.
He had this company called PC Flowers and Gifts on the Prodigy Network.
Prodigy Network?
Yeah, which was like an early online service.
Oh, okay.
And Tobin realized he could pay Prodigy commissions for sending customers his way, essentially like the first affiliate marketing program.
Whoa, that's mind-blowing. So Tobin's like the godfather
Pretty much, yeah.
of affiliate marketing, paved the way for all these YouTubers and influencers we see today.
Yeah, exactly.
So how did we get from flowers to everything else you can buy online?
Well, that's where the whole e-commerce explosion comes in, right?
Right.
By the mid-90s, online shopping was taking off.
Yeah.
And Amazon saw a massive opportunity there.
Okay.
So in 1996, they launched their associate program, which allowed anyone with a website to basically become an affiliate recommending Amazon products and getting a commission on sales.
Yeah, those Amazon affiliate links are everywhere.
Oh,
So
yeah.
they really set the standard.
Exactly. It's amazing how influential that model has been.
Yeah.
Although, fun fact, Amazon tried to patent the entire concept in 2000.
Oh, really?
Of course, Tobin had already been doing it for years.
Oh, so much for being the first.
Okay.
So we've got the history down.
Yep.
But I think for me, and maybe for our listeners out there, the real question is,
Yeah,
how do you actually make money doing this?
right.
How do affiliates get paid?
Well, there are a few main models, and they each have their own pros and cons.
Okay.
The most common is revenue sharing, which is also called pay per sale or PPS.
Okay.
You basically get a percentage of the sale price anytime someone buys something through your unique affiliate link.
So if I'm recommending something expensive,
Yeah,
my commission's going to be higher.
exactly.
Okay.
Now, another popular one is cost per action or CPA.
Okay.
And this one, you're not always getting paid for a sale, but rather a specific action someone takes,
Okay.
like signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, or filling out a form.
Oh, interesting. So it's not just about buying stuff.
No, it's more about engagement.
Okay.
CPA is great for businesses who want to build their email list or get more app downloads, that kind of thing.
Gotcha.
Now, you also might hear about older models like pay-per-click or CPC,
Mm-hmm.
but that's become less common.
Why you that?
Well, it just became a breeding ground for click fraud.
Oh, yeah.
It was too easy for shady affiliates to generate fake clicks and boost their earnings.
So they were getting paid for nothing.
Exact. Advertisers caught on and CPC kind of lost its appeal.
Gotcha. So quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Sounds like there's a ton of different people doing this.
Oh, yeah.
You've got bloggers, YouTubers, coupon websites, people with giant email lists.
Yeah, the possibilities are really endless. What's interesting is that almost any website with an audience could technically become an affiliate.
Oh, wow.
Like whether you're reviewing tech gadgets or sharing travel tips or even teaching people how to knit.
Right.
There's probably an affiliate opportunity out there somewhere.
Okay, so anyone can kind of get in on this action.
Yeah.
But we got to talk about the elephant in the room here. Affiliate marketing, it's got a bit of a shady past, right?
Yeah, you're right. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. Especially in the early days, there were some, shall we say, less than ethical practices going on.
Yeah, what were people doing?
Well, remember all those spam emails promising to get rich quick?
Oh, yeah, make millions from home.
Exactly. A lot of those were tied to shady affiliate marketing tactics.
Oh, really?
Yeah, back then it was like the Wild West of the internet.
Wow.
Affiliates were just blasting out unsolicited emails to anyone and everyone hoping to score a few clicks.
So annoying.
Oh, it was. And it gave the industry a bad reputation.
Yeah, I did see why.
Then you also had those malicious browser extensions designed to hijack your clicks and generate fake traffic.
Oh, wow.
It was a way to steal commissions from legitimate affiliates.
So basically trying to cheat the system.
Exactly, a quick buck.
Yeah.
And it wasn't just limited to emails and browsers either.
What else was going on?
Well, there was also the rise of search engine spam websites stuffed with keywords and affiliate links just designed to trick search engines.
To get to the top of the results?
Exactly. No real content, just a bunch of links hoping to lure in unsuspecting clicks.
Misleading.
Oh, totally. They were called thin affiliate websites, and search engines like Google really started cracking down hard.
Good.
Yeah.
So how did the industry clean up its act?
Well, as it matured, both affiliate networks and merchants started implementing codes of conduct setting guidelines for ethical unethical behavior.
Okay.
And there were efforts to combat adware, those annoying programs that bombard you with pop-ups.
Right.
It was all about trying to create a more sustainable and trustworthy ecosystem.
Damage control.
Exactly.
Okay, but what about this trademark bidding thing?
Oh, yeah.
Can affiliates use the brands they're promoting in their own ads?
That's where things get kind of murky.
Okay.
It's a real gray area. Some merchants forbid it outright,
Really?
while others allow or even encourage it.
Wow, so it depends.
It really depends on the specific program and their terms and conditions.
Gotcha. So affiliates really need to do their homework?
Oh, absolutely. There are legal and ethical considerations, too. You don't want to step on any toes or end up in a legal battle.
Good advice. Now, the Wikipedia article also mentioned a lack of standardized training or certification
Well, yeah.
for affiliate marketers. So it seems like it's very much learn as you go.
You're absolutely right. That's one of the challenges of getting into this field. There's no official degree or certification process.
Right.
A lot of the learning happens through trial and error, experimenting with different strategies and seeing what sticks.
So what's your advice for someone who's intrigued by this but feels kind of lost?
Well, first and foremost, be wary of those get-rich-quick schemes
Yeah.
or outdated advice. Do your research. There are reputable resources out there like online communities, courses, blogs from experienced marketers.
Right.
Continuous learning is key in this ever-evolving landscape.
It's always changing, so you got to stay on top of it.
Absolutely.
But what about the strategies?
Right.
What actually works in affiliate marketing?
Okay.
What makes someone successful?
Well, that's a great question and a perfect segue into the next part of our deep dive.
Ooh, okay.
We're going to delve into the nuts and bolts of successful affiliate marketing strategies, explore different approaches, and break down what makes them tick.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
It's interesting to think about how affiliate marketing benefits both sides.
Oh, yeah.
We've talked about the affiliate's perspective making money recommending products.
Right.
But why would a merchant want to do this?
Yeah, that's a good point.
It seems like they're giving up some of their profits, right?
Yeah.
Well, think of it this way. It's like having a massive virtual sales force working for you,
Oh,
only paying when they get results.
okay.
It's low risk.
Right.
It's a way to reach new audiences that you might not be able to reach on your own.
So they're basically outsourcing their marketing to people who are already talking about this stuff.
Exactly. And it can be super effective because affiliates really understand their audience.
Right.
They can tailor their recommendations way better than a traditional ad.
That makes sense. A win-win.
Exactly.
So how does all this actually work? Like, how do they track everything and make sure people get paid the right amount?
Yeah, it could get pretty messy without the right tools.
Yeah.
Luckily, technology's come to the rescue. Most merchants use specialized software or rely on third-party platforms called affiliate networks.
So these networks are like the middleman,
Exactly.
connecting the merchants with the affiliates.
Yeah, they provide the infrastructure for everything, tracking clicks, sales, other action. They handle all the reporting, even fraud detection.
So it's not just slapping a link up on your website and hoping for the best.
Nope, not at all. There's a real art to it.
Okay.
Understanding your audience, choosing the right products, creating content that makes people actually click.
So you need to know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
You need to be able to market it.
Yeah.
And you need to know a little bit about the tech side.
Exactly.
So what kinds of affiliate websites are out there?
Oh, there's a huge variety. You've got your search affiliates who are masters of SEO, driving traffic through keywords.
Okay.
And then price comparison websites, helping consumers find the best deals.
Yeah.
And then you've got loyalty websites like those airline miles programs,
Oh, yeah.
cause-related marketing sites that partner with charities,
Oh, cool.
and of course, coupon and rebate websites.
Everyone loves a good coupon.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So many options.
Right, and we can't forget about content and niche websites.
Right.
Bloggers, reviewers, experts sharing their knowledge and weaving in those affiliate links naturally.
Like when a food blogger recommends a specific blender.
Exactly, or a tech reviewer suggests a certain laptop.
Yeah, it feels more authentic.
Right, it's all about providing value and building trust.
Okay.
And then you've got email marketing list affiliates.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the folks with massive email lists who send out targeted promotion.
It really is endless.
There's a niche for everyone.
So how do merchants actually find these people?
Well, a lot of them actively recruit affiliates, especially those with established audiences and a good track record.
Okay.
They might reach out directly, go to industry events, or use those affiliate networks we talked about.
So they're not just sitting around waiting.
Not always, it's a two-way street.
Okay.
But it can be tricky for both sides to find the right match.
Yeah, I imagine.
Merchants need to be careful about who they partner with.
Right.
They want affiliates who align with their brand values.
Yeah, they don't want someone ruining their reputation.
Exactly. And for affiliates, it's important to choose programs with quality products, good commissions, and good support.
So it's like any other business partnership.
It is. You need the right fit.
But even with careful selection, there are still those potential issues.
Yeah, you're right. Remember those past and current issues from the Wikipedia article?
Yeah, we talked about spam and shady tactics.
Right.
But are there other things to watch out for?
Unfortunately, yes. One particularly sneaky tactic is cookie stuffing.
Cookie stuffing, I've heard of that, but I don't really know what it is.
It's definitely unethical, and a lot of programs forbid it.
Okay.
It's a way for dishonest affiliates to hijack commissions
How do they do that?
by planting their own cookies on a user's computer, even if they didn't click their link.
So they're stealing credit for someone else's referral.
Exactly, trying to game the system.
Ugh, that's so sneaky.
It is, but luckily, ethical affiliates and merchants are fighting back.
Good.
Yeah,
It's like a constant battle.
it is between those who want to do it right and those who are looking for a shortcut.
So is affiliate marketing even sustainable?
That's a great question, and it leads us perfectly into the final part of our deep dive.
Okay.
We'll explore the future of affiliate marketing, the trends shaping the industry, and whether it's going to thrive or struggle.
Wow, we have really gone deep down the affiliate marketing rabbit hole, haven't we?
We really have, from its surprising beginnings way back before the internet even,
Yeah.
to the Wild West days of spam and all the crazy tactics people try to pull.
It's a wild world out there.
It really is, but with all that said, where do you think it's all going?
Yeah, is affiliate marketing even sustainable long term?
It's a question a lot of folks are asking, and I think the future is bright, especially if we see more focus on being transparent